हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Heard, learned counsel for the parties on the point of admission of second of appeal and perused the records full stop para. In the original suit number 1241/1994, the plaint averment was that parties belonged to same family and disputed land was in joint ownership from the time of ancestors of parties full stop. The plaintiff was born before coming into force of UPZA and LR Act. Therefore, being from joint family, he had 1/3 share of disputed agricultural land since his birth. Full stop. Therefore, his father Moti had no right to execute gift deed of whole of the disputed agricultural property. Full stop. The defendant number 1 is a old person who cannot move or walk, cannot see properly and cannot hear properly. Full stop. Defendant number 2 had taken benefit of these disabilities and got executed the disputed sale deed from defendant number 1 in his favor. Full stop. When defendant number 2 had objected the plaintiff from user of disputed agricultural land, then plaintiff came to know about the registered gift deed in question and filed suit for cancellation of whole gift deed and for permanent injunction. Full stop. Defendant number 1, Moti, had filed written statement in original suit denying the pleadings of plaint and further pleaded that defendant number 2 had been taking care and extending personal services to him, and on the other hand plaintiff had been maltreating him. Therefore, he had executed the registered gift deed of his disputed agricultural property in favor of his nephew, defendant number 2, out of love and affection. Full stop. The plaintiff was born after coming into force of UPZA and LR Act. Full stop. The plaintiff has no share in disputed property. Full stop. Defendant number 1 can walk, see and hear properly and himself performs his daily domestic work. Full stop. The suit of plaintiff is based on incorrect facts and is liable to be dismissed. Full stop. Para. In original suit, the defendant number 2, Algu, had also filed separate written statement by which he denied the plaint case and pleaded that it is incorrect that plaintiff was born before coming into force of UPZA and LR Act or has 1/3 share in disputed property. Full stop. Defendant number 1 is owner of disputed property who had executed gift deed in question of disputed land in favor of defendant number 2 within knowledge of plaintiff. Full stop. On the basis of gift deed, the name of defendant number 2 has been mutated over disputed land. Full stop. The consolidation proceedings had been initiated in the village relating to disputed land and are now coming to an end. As such, the suit is liable to be dismissed. Full stop. Para. The trial court had framed issues, accepted adduced evidences of the parties, and then additional civil judge in bracket JD court number 1 Varanasi had passed the judgment dated 24/1/2014 by which original suit was dismissed. Full stop. Aggrieved by the judgment of trial court, civil appeal number 22/2014 in bracket Mohan Lal versus Shri Ram and another bracket out was preferred by plaintiff of original suit full stop. This appeal was heard and dismissed by the judgment of Additional District Judge / Special Judge PC Act Court number 1 Varanasi on 20/11/2015 full stop. In this judgment, the First Appellate Court had confirmed this finding of trial court that defendants lived together and defendant number 1 was pleased from service extended by his grandsons defendant number 2 and therefore had executed gift deed in question in his favor full stop. Aggrieved by the judgment of trial court as well as the First Appellate Court, present second appeal has been preferred by the plaintiff of original suit full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये लगभग 110 की स्पीड का है, 110 111 ऐसे ही कुछ है, ठीक है। डिक्टेशन लेके बताइएगा कैसी लगी स्पीड, फ्लक्चुएशन कैसा था। अलगू इसमें बनेगा डाउनवर्ड एल और गे ऊ की वॉवल, चाहे अपवर्ड भी बना दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। बाकी और कोई नाम इसमें जो भी आया था हमने काट दिया, ठीक है। और कुछ नहीं आया है, मिलेंगे फिर अगले डिक्टेशन में। थैंक यू सो मच, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब भूलिएगा मत। थैंक यू।